to K Bots Robotics YouTube channel. Today we are here with the second tutorial of our channel. As we promised, today we are going to do some SolidWorks practicing exercises. Today we are designing 3 models. This is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. Now we are going to design this sketch, the first sketch. So open SolidWorks and click next, new, and get a part and click OK. And it will open like this, and go to this sketch option and select top plane, and we want to scroll this until the arrow come to this, and get a line and draw a triangle. Then right click on it and click select. Then we want to get this dimension, so select this smart dimension and click on this line and drag and select it to 100. And we want to equal the angle of this, so smart dimension and click this and get the angle and set it to 60. This also the dimension, set the dimension as 60. Then we want to get these 3 circles, so get a circle and draw in the corners, and we want to get this dimension of this, so in this circle the dimension is 30, and in this and the top circle the dimension is 20, so set is as 20. Then we want to get this inner circle, so get a perimeter circle from this and click on this line, and then click on this line, and last click on this line, and right click on the circle and click this select. And our diagram is fully defined, so the sketch is fully defined, so the sketch is ready. Okay, now we are going to draw this sketch, the second sketch. So open SolidWorks and select new, and click OK by selecting part, and select sketch as the plane, and drag the arrow until this and get the center line and draw like this. Then right click on it and select. And then we want to get this dimension, so select smart dimension and get the dimension between this. Dimension is 150, so set the dimension as 150. Then we want to get these circular parts, so we use circle to get the circular part, so go 2 circles and get the dimension. In this circle the dimension is 80, and in this circle the dimension is 70. And then we want to join this, so get a line and join this point to this point, escape and get a line and join this point to this point and escape. And we want to remove these unwanted edges. So select the trim entities and select trim to close it and trim by clicking on the unwanted edges. Then our sketch is finished. This is the final product. Now we are going to draw this sketch, the third sketch. So open SolidWorks and select new and select part and OK. And select the sketch as top plane. And we want to draw an ellipse. So select this and draw. Horizontal point and give the vertical point. And right click on it and fix it. And then we want to get these dimensions. Then select smart dimension and click this and drag and set it to 150. And then click on this point and drag and set the dimension as 8. Then get the center line and roll like this. And right click on it and select, and we want to get this dimension. So select small dimension and click on this line and drag and set the dimension to 50. Same as that to this. Click on these two lines and drag and set the small dimension as 50. And then we want to draw the small circles. So get a circle and draw the circles. And then we want to get the smart dimension. Set the smart dimension as 10 and escape and select this and this circle, and we want to equal these two circles. So select this equal option and the two circles are equal. And then we want to get these two circles, the inner circles. So get a circle and draw two circles like this. And then put the smart dimension of the bigger circle as 60 and set the dimension of the smaller circle as 30. And then our sketch is over. This is the final sketch and this is the final product of this sketch. So we did 3 designs today. So that is the end of our second tutorial. So we are planning to upload our videos weekly, and this third tutorial will be in next week. And we will do some more practicing exercises in third tutorial. So please give a feedback about this video in comments, and if this video is good, please like and smash that subscribe button and the notification bell, and please don't forget to share, and see you soon in next tutorial.